Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first, this evening, tension is high in downtown Kingston after 5 people were shot and injured across the road from the Denham Town Police Station this afternoon. 4 men have been listed as persons of interest in what police say is a continuation of ongoing gang violence. A daring daylight attack. 5 people are nursing gunshot wounds after they were pounced upon by gangsters in a drive-by right here about 2:30 Saturday afternoon.
A group of persons were standing on Market Street when a group of gunmen, we heard 4, came and opened fire at the individuals. At the end of the shooting, 5 persons ran to the Denham Town Police Station where they were seen with gunshot wounds and were taken to hospital where they are being treated.
The injuries are not believed to be life-threatening. In the meantime, Head of Corporate Communications at the JCF, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, says investigators believe the shooting stems from an ongoing intra-gang conflict in the community.
What the investigators are picking up that it is the continuation of the ongoing gang conflict in the Shooterville gang that operates in the Denham Town area. And this shooting is the latest of a number of incidents that have been happening in recent times. So they are seeing it as a continuation of the intra-gang feud.
Police are asking 4 men known only by their aliases to turn themselves in to the Denham Town Police. They are Kyle, Kemar, Quinty, and Rico. Now tension is high this evening as residents fear reprisal.
The area is very tense because when these things happen, one of the responses from the criminal network is usually reprisal. So they have increased the presence in the area and they are looking at some other measures that they may have to implement as an immediate response. I know that the leadership of the division, they are currently meeting to look at what are some of the operational tactics that they will be applying.
Police curfew are part of the consideration right now, contemplation?
They have not given me exactly what the approach is going to be. I expect to hear from them shortly, but they'll be looking at all the things that will be necessary.
There were 17 shootings in West Kingston up to March 15 this year, 10 fewer than the 27 reported for the corresponding period in 2021. 21 murders were reported in the division up to March 15.